Which Rado watch is actually worth your hard-earned money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 Rado watches for men that truly stand out. Product number 1, Captain Cook Automatic. First up is the men's Captain Cook 40-Tomb Automatic Diving Watch. The sleek design and silvertone finish caught my eye right away, and at $2,500, it's definitely a statement piece. If you want a reliable watch that turns heads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This watch features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, ensuring it stays pristine even with everyday use. With an impressive 80-hour power reserve, you don't have to worry about winding it constantly. Plus, its 200-meter water resistance makes it perfect for diving or just splashing around in the pool. And let's be real, it's got that easy-to-change strap system, so you can switch styles without any hassle. Now, some people complained about the hefty price tag. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about watches and want something that combines functionality with luxury, this isn't just a splurge, it's an investment. This is perfect for you if you're an active individual who appreciates luxury and wants a watch that can keep up with your lifestyle. Skip this one if you're looking for something more casual or budget-friendly. For the quality you get, the value is there. Now, if the price of the Captain Cook was a bit high for you, this next one offers similar quality without breaking the bank. Product number 2, Diastar Original. Next up is the Diastar Original Swiss Automatic Watch, priced at $1,800. This watch has a unique oval shape and a stunning gold stainless steel bracelet. If you're after something that makes a statement while remaining timeless, this is worth checking out. This watch stands out with its CVD-coated Har-metal case and faceted sapphire crystal that not only looks great but also offers durability. With an automatic movement and an 80-hour power reserve, you can trust it to keep accurate time without frequent winding. Water-resistant up to 30 meters, it's suitable for everyday wear but not for diving. Some reviews mention the bulkiness of the case, which might not be for everyone. But honestly, if you're looking for a bold look that stands out, the size actually works in its favor. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that blends luxury with durability. Skip this one if you prefer minimalist styles or need something super lightweight. For the craftsmanship, the price is reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a sporty look while still staying classy. Product number 3, Unisex Original Stainless Steel. Next, we have the Unisex Original Stainless Steel Swiss Automatic Watch, priced at $1,350. This piece features a striking yellow color and a 35mm case. If you're looking for something unique that can be worn by anyone, this is definitely a watch to consider. The hard metal case and Swiss automatic movement offer great durability and reliability. With an 80-hour power reserve, you get the convenience of a watch that won't let you down. Plus, it's suitable for snorkeling, making it a great companion for water activities. The vibrant yellow color stands out, ensuring you'll never go unnoticed. However, some users pointed out that the color might not be versatile enough for all occasions. But here's the thing, if you want a watch that expresses personality while still being functional, this piece is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves to mix things up and isn't afraid of bold colors. Skip this one if you prefer classic tones. For the quality and uniqueness, it offers great value. Now, if the color of the Unisex Original is quite your style, the next watch brings classic elegance back into the mix. Product number 4, Men's Quartz Watch. Coming up next is the Men's Quartz Watch's ceramic bands, available for $69.99. This rectangular wristwatch has a sleek black and gold style that really caught my eye. If you're looking for an affordable yet stylish watch, this one is worth a look. This watch features a durable ceramic band that is both stylish and practical. It's powered by a reliable Japanese quartz movement, which means you won't have to worry about it running slow or stopping. With a 3 ATM water resistance rating, it's suitable for everyday activities, so you can wear it without fear of water damage. Some users mentioned that the rectangular shape might take some time to get used to. But honestly, if you're after a watch that stands out from traditional round designs, This shape adds uniqueness to your collection. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable watch that doesn't skimp on style or quality. Skip this one if you need a watch for more extreme activities. For the price, it's an amazing deal. If you're looking for something a bit fancier, the last pick on our list brings luxury and performance together. Product number 5, watch winder for automatic watches. Last but not least, we have the watch winder for automatic watches at just $25.19. This sleek black carbon fiber leather design caught my attention immediately. If you own multiple automatic watches and want to keep them wound and displayed, this is a must-have. This watch winder is crafted from premium materials, providing both protection and style. It can wind your watch in a preset cycle, so you can trust it to keep your watches running accurately. Some users have mentioned that it only fits one watch, which can be a limitation. But if you're looking for a practical way to maintain your automatic watch's functionality without spending a fortune, this isn't really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you own an automatic watch and want to maintain its performance. Skip this one if you're not into automatic watches. For its value, it's a fantastic investment for any collector. So to wrap it up, the Captain Cook is the luxury choice, the Diastar brings bold elegance, the unisex original makes a colorful statement, the men's quartz watch is affordable and stylish, and the watch winder keeps your collection in top shape. Each of these Rado watches has its unique charm, so think about what fits best with your style.